Hello, all my fellow hairstylists and hair colorists out there. First off, I hope you're all healthy and safe. If not so already, soon enough you'll be welcoming your clients back into your chair. So I'm really excited to be here and be part of Soda's Professional and Henko North America Beauty Care United program. And to go along with this great program, today I will be talking to you about roots, how to lift them gently and fast. Find out more about how they're helping our community and you. So go over to beautycareunited.com, download the toolbox where you'll find great assets for you for when you get back behind the chair to doing what you love. For this technique, I will be using the Soda's Professional Age Beautiful Ultra Bond Creme Lightener. This lifts up to 9 levels. It's great for on the scalp application as well as off the scalp application. Now, since we are breaking up a root to get our client to that desired level, I will be using it with Soda's Professional Age Beautiful Ultra Bond Creme Developer in 20 volume. Now, the benefits of using the creme lightener is that you have the confidence to use this on the scalp with the 20 volume, and it's going to be gentle enough to break that root barrier for your client and also lift up to the layers that are needed. And here we have the final results using the Ultra Bond Age Beautiful Creme Lightener on the scalp application. I hope you can use this technique when you get back behind the chair. And make sure to sign up to beautycareunited.com, download the toolbox, subscribe for the notifications so that you can keep up to date with great techniques like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and each other.